In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play duck chess on chess.com. This variant takes everything you know about chess and adds a playful twist. After every move, you place a duck on the board that blocks a square. It's fast, it's clever, and it completely changes how you think about strategy. To get started, open chess.com on your browser or mobile app. Head to the Play menu. On mobile, that's the three-line or hamburger icon. From there, choose 4-player invariants, then look for duck chess in the list. You can challenge a friend if you want a private match, or jump straight into a game against a random opponent to learn on the fly. Here's how a turn works. Each turn has 2 parts. First, make a normal chess move with one of your pieces, following standard movement rules. Immediately after that, move the duck to any empty square on the board. That second action is mandatory and happens every turn. Think of the duck as a floating blocker you reposition to shape the position in your favor. What is the duck exactly? In the interface, it appears as a little brick. Wherever it sits, that square is off limits. No piece can land on it, and pieces cannot pass through it as they would along a line or diagonal. The one exception is knights, which can jump over the duck. They still can't end their move on the duck's square, but they're not stopped by it along the way. Winning works differently here. There's no check or checkmate. The goal is to capture the opponent's king outright. Because of that, kings are allowed to move into or through attacked squares, and even castle through attacked squares, as long as the king and rook follow normal movement and the path does not go through the duck. The duck still blocks castling if it sits on a square the king would cross. Stalemate flips the script too. If it's your turn and you have no legal moves, maybe your pieces are boxed in by other pieces or the duck, you actually win by stalemate. That means restricting your opponent with smart duck placement can be just as powerful as a direct attack. A few practical tips as you play. Use the duck to cut off escape squares, seal files and diagonals, or interrupt long-range pieces like queens, rooks, and bishops. After making your move, drop the duck to protect your king, set up tactics, or freeze a key square. Always watch for knights since they ignore the duck's roadblocks, and double-check castling paths for a stray duck. That's it. Cue a game, try a few openings, and have fun exploring the wild possibilities of duck chess.